What is the green area? Label B, C, D, E, G, F, and H. Let O be the center point of the green large semicircle. Also, let A be the radius of the pink semicircle. Its area equals half the product of pi and the square of r, which equals 7 square units. Make the square of r the subject of the formula. We have that the square of r equals 14 divided by pi. Take the square root of the equation. R equals the square root of 14 divided by pi. Its diameter is 2 times r, which equals to 2 times 14 divided by pi. The result equals to line CF. Join line BF. Let the length of the smaller square be x and that of the larger square be y. It implies that line G equals line D, F, which equals to line B, C. The result equals to x, and line B F equals line C, D, which equals to y. From triangle B, CF. Using Pythagoras theorem. The square of line B, F equals the square of line C, F minus the square of line B, C, which equals the square of 2 times the square root of 14 divided by pi minus the square of x. Simplify and we have that the square of y equals 56 divided by pi minus the square of x. Make the square of x the subject of the formula. We obtained an equation for the square of x as shown on the screen. Take the square root of the equation. We have that x equals the square root of 56 divided by pi minus the square of y. We call it equation 1. Line B, H equals y minus x, which equals y minus the square root of 56 divided by pi minus the square of y. Hence, line F, G equals line D, E, which equals to x. The result is equals to the square root of 56 divided by pi minus the square of y. Consider triangle HBG. Line BG equals the result shown on the screen. By Pythagoras theorem, the square of line HG equals the square of line BH and the square of line BG, which equals 112 divided by pi. After simplification of substituted values. Take the square root of the equation. Line HG equals the square root of 112 divided by pi. Let A be the radius of the green semicircle. It implies that line H, G equals 2 times r, which equals the square root of 112 divided by pi. Hence, r equals half the square root of 112 divided by pi, which equals to 2 times the square root of 7 divided by pi. The result equals line OH. The green area equals half the product of pi and the square root of r, which equals 14 square units. After simplification of substituted values. Therefore, the green area equals 14 square units.